Hello beautiful chocolate Pickney, thanks for joining me again for another hair tutorial, and thank you for clicking on the video despite the title. Now that's not a clickbait, this is actually the cutest ugly hairstyle I've ever done in my life, and my sister was all up for it. She has been my mannequin for the past years, I mean years, and she's always there to help me out. Whenever I have an idea, she's like, okay, and she just sit there and let me do whatever I want to her hair. So thank you, Phoebe, for being my mannequin over the years. Now, as you have seen, I braided two bundles of the Ghana pre-stretch braid, and then I did an arch curve semicircle section here thingy to separate the hair in two sections. I am going to do a braid in between, and then I'm going to do the weirdest hairstyle ever. So keep watching, it's only 3 minutes long. So now what we have here are two ponytails. I'm going to braid them and tuck them away in tiny buns so I'll be able to put the extension above them. So you know, this was not what I had in mind for the hairstyle. When it came into my hair, this was not a part of it, but I went along with my hands because that's where my hands led me. So now I took the braid, the ponytail, and I'm just gonna pin it over her natural hair to create a cute little sweep. And this is the part where I was like, whoa, what's happening here? This is not this is not what my brain had imagined. But I went along and I pinned and I talked and I did what I could to make it look, I can't even say cute. That cannot come out of my mouth. I went ahead and tucked and pinned and tried to make it look that word. So this is what it turned out to be. Let me know what you would have done differently with this hairstyle for it to look cute. I can't say cuter. This is the part that I love, the front part. This is the cute part. If only she was gonna walk and hold her head like that and we could only see the front section of it, then that would be cute. But nah, she's gonna turn. We're gonna see the side, we're gonna see the back, and that's not happening. So kind of let me know what you would have done differently with this hairstyle in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of it. It's cute ish. What do you think? Give this a like if you like that I was brave enough to upload it, and subscribe if you have not done so yet. Thanks again for watching.